If your Windows feels delayed, heavy, or just slow, you aren't stuck with it. This is your standard Windows experience, and this is what it feels like when you change one hidden setting. It is literally an instant fix, and it costs $0. Get ready. This is going to change everything you know about FPS. First, hit the Windows icon and type Advanced System Settings. Open it, hit the Settings button under Performance. Don't click Adjust for Best Performance. That makes Windows look like 1995. Instead, uncheck everything except smooth edges of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. Hit Apply. You just freed up massive system resources without making your PC look like trash. Now search for Graphics Settings. Click Change Default Graphics Settings. See this toggle? Optimizations for windowed games? Turn this on. This forces Windows to use a modern flip model for every app you run, cutting out the legacy input lag that's been slowing down your mouse for years. Finally, the heavy hitter. Open CMD as admin. Type this exactly. You will find it in description. Hit Enter. This stops your CPU from constantly checking its clock speed, which is the #1 cause of those random micro-stutters. If it says the operation completed successfully, you're golden. Restart your PC right now. Your mouse will feel like liquid, and your frames will finally be stable. The command is in the description. If your PC feels faster, drop a like. Peace.